Hello, I'm Lurs. I'm a salesperson at WELDING company here in China. So today I'm going just to introduce to you about one of the best machines that we are producing and selling in our company here in China. So this machine you see behind me here is called automatic battery spot welding standard mini machine. It's 2021 new type. Okay, this machine you see behind me here, it has a lot of advantage. The first one that I just need to tell you here, it has the put voltage, okay, of 220 volts, and the current is 4,000 amps. That's the biggest advantage about this machine. And the next advantage is that by here, this machine, so the speed